quantum physics. Albert Einstein and Max Planck, now I don't have to tell you who those guys are. They're both Nobel Prize winners in physics. They're considered by many to be the fathers of quantum physics. It's a branch of physics that deal with units of energy called quanta. Quantum physics has shown that we can literally manipulate and direct this source energy or matter that all of reality seems to be made of. Now, you can call it source energy, God, the universe, the one, the field, the unified field, or even the matrix, just like the movie. Or some people have called it all that is. Whatever you call it, it seems to point to one truth. And this truth is that we are co-creators with this energy of our actual experience of reality. We are co-creators because it has been shown that we are actually a part of this actual source energy. Now, quantum physics has also shown that we can actually manipulate and direct this source energy or matter with intention. Another way that is said is that the observer affects the observed. We can literally create our world, or more specifically, our experience of this world and this reality. We are the creators or co-creators with this source energy. Now, you can call this source energy God, or the universe, or the one, or the field, or the unified field, or even the matrix. Some people call it all that is. Now, whatever you call it, it seems to point to one truth, and it's truth that we are co-creators with this energy, co-creators of our actual experience of reality. We are co-creators because it has been shown that we are actually a part of this actual source energy. We control this source energy, or we direct this source energy with our everything, with our thoughts, feelings, words, beliefs, expectations, even our assumptions, or physical vibration. We control, as I said, this source energy with everything, every aspect of our being. We can control our physicality, our inner thoughts, everything. So what this means, good news about this whole aspect, is that we can control ourselves. We can control our thoughts, our intentions, everything. And this means we can control our manifestations. We control our manifestations with our intentions, feelings, emotions, beliefs, vibrations, actions, lack of action, everything. We literally control our experience of reality and our manifestations with every aspect of our life and being. Now, this is one of my foundational truths that I teach all of my clients, and it's this. There is no law of attraction. We are the law of attraction. We cannot not manifest. Let me say that again and let that sink in. Think about this for a little while. There is no law of attraction. We are the law of attraction. We cannot not manifest.